friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a wallet, origami wallet. It is very easy and much useful to you whenever you want to go outside. If you have forgotten your wallet or something, so you can make this wallet and you can take this to your destination. It has much space in it, like this. Here also you can keep the money, and here also you can keep the money. So let's get started and make our wallet. First you will have a A4 size paper. Let's get started. First you have to fold it like this in a half, like this. Then you have to take this part to the middle line, and keep it as it is. Then take this part to the middle and open this, and again fold this part to the last line. Like this. Then you have to take this middle point to the middle. No middle, only you have to fold it like this. It is like this, then you have to fold it like this. Then you have to turn the page and fold from here. Not more, but a little. From both the sides. Like this. It will look like this, and from the back it will look like this. Then fold this page inside it. Like this. From here also. Like this. Then fold them from each other like this. Then take this part inside this, like this. I will show you. To the middle. From both the sides you have to do it. From one side and from the another side also, like this. And it will look like this. Then your wallet will be look like this. Then you have to fold from the middle like this, and your wallet is ready. You can keep your money also like this, and here also, and you can give to your friends or your small siblings or someone like this. And if you want to draw something here, you can also draw like this from a marker or a pen. It's your choice. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.